So I stand to gain nothing from this. I'm actually putting myself kind of in the target of TMZ, a very litigious organization, and I'm not seeking any 15 minutes here. Though you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
Morgan Tremaine has put Amber Heard on blast for using the same law firm that tried to prevent his testimony during the Johnny Depp defamation trial. Former TMZ employee also called out the outgoing Elaine Bredehoft, with whom he had a tense exchange during the first trial in Fairfax County, Virginia, earlier this year. After Amber lost that defamation suit, she announced on Monday, August 15th, that she was replacing her team for the upcoming appeal against the original decision. Twitch streamer Tremaine mocked the change on Twitter, claiming that Amber is replacing Elaine with the firm that failed to stop him from testifying. So does this legal change have something to do with Tremaine's testimony? Just in case he is called to the stand again? Let's find out. So, Bestie got fired and replaced with lawyers from the same firm that failed to stop me from testifying, Tremaine wrote on Twitter. His bestie in this context appears to be Elaine, who he clashed with in the Fairfax County, Virginia courtroom. Do I have that right? Tremaine asked his followers after making his statement. Amber's new representation, David Axelrod and J. Ward Brown of Ballard Spahr LLP, don't initially seem to have anything to do with the first court case in which Tremaine testified. The outgoing Elaine is part of the law firm Bredehoft, Cohen, Brown, and Nadelhaft, but Ben Rottenborn of Woods Rogers Van Venter Black is returning as co-counsel for the upcoming case. Tremaine was called to testify during the Depp and Amber trial, but TMZ had initially blocked his appearance. At the time, the news outlet cited journalist privilege to prevent the former gossip collector from testifying, though this was eventually dismissed by the judge. Commenters within Tremaine's Twitter feed suggested it was Ballard Spahr who TMZ used to prevent the testimony. Is that where these lawyers are from? The attorney that showed up at a trial to try and get your testimony shut down? The firm that Ben Chu said he had worked with before? Does AH think that will make a difference? Curious Gemini 2 asked. During the trial, Ballard Spahr LLP lawyer Charles Tobin represented TMZ and argued that the organization had a right to protect its confidential sources under the First Amendment. Axelrod and Brown are described as renowned First Amendment lawyers by Amber's press release. When he eventually took the stand, Tremaine claimed that TMZ had received a video of Depp and Amber Heard where the Oscar nominee slammed cupboards closed. During this time on the stand, he had a tense exchange with Elaine, which went viral online. While speaking to the court, Tremaine confirmed that he was asked to send photographers to a Los Angeles courthouse on May 27, 2016, on the day Amber filed for a restraining order against Depp. "We were trying to capture Amber leaving the courthouse and an alleged bruise on the right side of her face," he told the court. "She was going to sort of stop and turn towards camera to display the bruise on the right side of her face, the alleged bruise." When asked if TMZ got the shot, Tremaine replied, "We did." During the cross-examination, Amber's lawyer then blamed Tremaine for seeking his 15 minutes of fame.
And so this gets you your 15 minutes of fame, doesn't it?
Objection, Your Honor.
To which he responded, "I stand to gain nothing from this. I'm actually putting myself kind of in the target of TMZ, a very litigious organization, and I'm not seeking any 15 minutes of fame here. Though you may welcome to speculate," he added. "I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you," he said.
So I stand to gain nothing from this. I'm actually putting myself kind of in the target of TMZ, a very litigious organization, and I'm not seeking any 15 minutes here. Though you're welcome to speculate. I could say the same thing by taking Amber Heard as a client for you.
Which made the audience giggle, and Depp's team smiled. As part of the announcement that she was stepping down from Amber's team, the experienced lawyer stated that Amber would continue to receive her support. "This is the perfect time to pass the baton," she said. "I have pledged to Amber and her appellate team my complete cooperation and assistance as they move forward on a path toward success." Do you think Tremaine will testify in favor of Depp when called up again? Let us know in the comments. Until next time, bye!